Does the turkeys come back?
No.
No.
How about the fun with the broken leg? Did she come remember?
How many people are online watching?
I don't know for sure. I don't know. Truck is leaving. Didn't call me Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. Hi, Shirley.
That's a joke from Airplane.
I know.
Don't call me Shirley.
Yeah.
Shirley, don't call me Shirley.
Shirley Burton, member for 3 months. Nothing like watching deer eating while at work. She keeps it on at work.
Well, today is what, January 27th? Huh?
Huh?
January 27th?
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. But right now the deer are
it is.
they're getting full. They're halfway fed through the winter.
But I think there's other things that's bothering them, because there's nothing around.
Yeah, but they wander off. They like to walk around. They have to walk around to walk off some of that food. That's what they do. They wander.
They're not at either end. Okay.
You hear that shaking?
What?
Did you hear that shaking?
I heard something.
Something shook. Wonder if we had an earthquake. I felt the bump. And then
You did?
yeah,
I didn't feel it.
No, I didn't feel a bump under my feet, but I felt the shaking, and that window, the picture window, was vibrating.
Just now?
Yeah. Well, didn't you hear?
I heard it, but I...
Yeah. Well, hearing it and feeling it are two different things.
Huh. Think there's something out front?
No truck shakes like that.
This is really weird. I have never seen them this early in the morning disappear.
Well, maybe if that was an earthquake, they already knew. We'll have to check it out. And I have it on tape. I was taping.